D6 says factor each expression completely using the factoring by grouping method. Okay? Remember, I'm not going to tell you factor by grouping tomorrow. I'm just going to say factor completely. So how do I know to use the grouping method? You just have to do what? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 terms. And you can use the double GCF, which we learned in class, or you can just put this into your box. Remember, we want to write it in the form of a z. Let's do that together. X cubed, negative 3x squared, negative 4x, and positive 12. Then I'm just going to take my GCF. I recognize this is x cubed, this is x squared, so they're going to pull out an x squared. This direction, they both have an x. This direction, I'm thinking of a 3, and I'm not sure if it's negative, but if I can multiply to check, that means this has to be a negative. As I was helping a student last class, never ever have any of these x's here a negative. You don't want any of these to be a negative. If it is a negative, that probably means your GCF should be a negative, so that these will always be positive. Coming down here, I'm thinking of before, but if I multiply these, this has to be a negative. So then my answer is going to be x minus 3, x squared minus 4. Did you notice I left a big gap right there? Because you can put in what? 0x. Why do we do that? Because here in purple, you can actually factor again, right? A times c is negative 4. B value is 0. My two numbers are going to be 2 and negative 2. So I'm going to have x plus 2, x minus 2 right there. And this x minus 3 just drops down. Box my answer. And that's our answer. Raise your hand if you got that one. Good job.